Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Griffin Banking as a Service. Griffin Banking as a Service offers a platform for businesses to integrate banking functionalities into their existing applications. It aims to simplify the process of offering financial services, targeting fintech startups and established companies looking to expand their offerings. Key features likely include account management APIs, payment processing integrations, and potentially fraud prevention tools. Their website provides details on specific functionalities and pricing. Griffin Banking as a Service positions itself as a streamlined and efficient solution, emphasizing ease of integration and potentially offering transparent pricing with no hidden fees. They highlight a modern API architecture for seamless connectivity with various systems. Availability is likely dependent on geographic location and specific partnership agreements. Their website should have more information on this. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Griffin Banking as a Service. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The onboarding process was well documented, and I was able to connect my existing application within a couple of hours. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displayed key metrics and provided easy access to various API endpoints. I specifically used their account management API to integrate account creation and balance checking into my app. The performance was excellent, requests were processed quickly, and I experienced no significant downtime. I had a quick question about implementing their fraud detection feature, and their support team responded within a day via email, providing helpful documentation. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, and the standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive documentation provided. One minor drawback was the lack of detailed error messages in the API responses, which sometimes made debugging a bit challenging. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Griffin Banking as a Service. It generally met my needs and significantly simplified integrating banking features into my application. That's my overview of Griffin Banking as a Service. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.